Here's how you can earn passive income in cryptocurrencies by just using your phone and internet connection. There are no fees. You don't have to invest anything. There are no ads in this. Just your phone and internet, and you earn passive income in different cryptocurrencies. Now, I'm going to explain and we'll go through the step by step process on how you can get started. First of all, the platform is called Unity Network. They have their application on the Google Play Store. It goes by the name of Unity app. Just search it up. You can download it on your Android Play Store or on your Apple App Store. Just type Unity app and you're going to download the application. Now, do note that this application is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are. You can download it on your devices and you can start earning. Once that is done, we're going to get started with this whole process. But just to give you guys an idea about how you earn here, Unity Network, it is a DePIN platform, decentralized physical infrastructure network, something that we only have heard of so far and never actually seen an application of it. But here it is now. So what's happening here is we have all these telecommunication infrastructures, your SIM provider, through which they manages all these SMS, all these calls, all these data transfers from SIM to SIM. But the problem that they have is over time, their network and their routes, they can degrade over time, which affects the connectivity. So SMS gets canceled, they don't go through, calls disconnect, they get these sort of problems. So what they have to do is they have to test their network. They have to test their routes. They have to spot all these problems so they can fix it. And to spot these problems, they have to develop all these centralized phone farms to test their network, which is really expensive. It requires a lot of resources and they don't want to deal with that. What Unity Network offers is we as users use our phone, we build our network, and all these telecommunication infrastructures and providers, they use this system to test out their network, to spot the vulnerabilities, to spot the problems, and they fix it. And in return, they pay, the service fee to the Unity network, and that fees gets distributed to all those people who are using their phones to validate and test the network. It is like the proof of work of Bitcoin. In Bitcoin, we use our hardware, our GPUs, our mining rigs in order to validate the network, and in return, we get Bitcoin, as a reward. In this case, it's almost the same thing. We use our phone, we use our processor and internet to validate this whole process. And in return, we are rewarded in Unity points, which we can then redeem in any cryptocurrency that we want. So that's what we have in this. Now, without wasting any time, we're going to get started on how we can start earning passive income. So right now, per phone, you can earn passive income up to $9 to $12. If you have more phones, you can, of course, earn more. Plus, you can opt in to do more tasks, which increases your rewards. So here's how you can get started. You're going to come to this link that is unity-op.com, and you will get this license code. You're going to copy this code and you're going to paste it in the application. So here we have the application, click on get started. From here, we get three different options: node operator, license operator, claim a license. You will go with license operator. Here is where we're going to paste that code. So just paste it and click on continue. Now we have two options to sign in. We can either sign in using our Web3 wallet or we can sign in using our email. I'm going to go ahead with the email. Here, I'm going to put down my email address and click on continue. Now they have sent a verification code to my email. I'm going to open up my email. I'm going to copy the code and I'll paste it here and click on verify. Now, once it is verified, we're going to click on continue. Now, once that is done, the license should automatically bind to your phone. But if it doesn't, click on the three dots that we have on the right bottom corner and then click on work. And here's where you can bind the license if it is not binded automatically. And once it is binded, you can see all the three dots that turns green. And once they are all green, then you're set to go. Now the app will run in the background. I don't have to do anything. Just keep it connected to the internet and that's it. It will make the passive income for me. Now, if I want to increase my earnings, we can go to the task section, which is right here. Currently, we have done the first one, but if we use our SIM card, we can do the rest of the task and we can earn more. So the next one is caller ID testing, and we also have SMS testing. If we do this, we earn more. Now, this is just one phone. I probably have like 5 to 6 idle phones that I have in my house. I can download the application in all of these and I can use the same email address. So I can have multiple licenses running in the same email address. I can put all of them to work and just calculate $9 to $12 per phone per month. If I have 5 phones, it's like $50. And I can also do further tasks to increase my earning in all of those phones. And that is how we can earn passive income without investing anything here. Now, if you do want to invest, you do have an option for that. And that is the first one that we saw before. That is the node operator. In one node, there are 200 licenses. So what you do is if you have 200 phones, you buy the node operator, which cost, I think, about $5,000 and you get 200 licenses. And if you have 200 phones, you just put the licenses in all of those 200 phones and you start earning passive income. You can do the task. But if you buy the node operator and you don't have 200 phones, what you can do is you can lease the licenses to others. So others will take those licenses, put them in their phone, and they will start earning passive income and you get a share of it. So now the passive income will be divided between the node operator owner and also those people who are running the licenses on their phone. Right now, we're getting these licenses for free, which usually it's not free. You have to go to marketplaces to, lease it from node operators. Right now, we're getting it for free and it's limited time only. Afterwards, it will run out and you may have to buy the licenses. And at some point, maybe the licenses will also run out. So it's for limited time only. That's why I would suggest that you don't waste any time. As you can see, getting started here is absolutely simple. You get all of these guides on the platform, which explains in detail everything that you need to do. So nothing here is complicated. We also have their YouTube channel that explains everything, that has all the tutorials here. Now, you get rewarded in Unity points. 1 Unity point equals $1. So when it's time that you have these Unity points, you're going to come to the manage.unitynodes.io, and this is where you can withdraw. So this is how it will look like. And right now it shows that we have $22 that is available to redeem. We're going to put the wallet address that can be of Ethereum, Binance Chain, Solana, Ripple XRP, Cardano, and we can withdraw in Ethereum, USDT, USDC, SHIB, and probably there will be other cryptocurrencies as well. And this is how we can withdraw directly in our wallet and in our preferred cryptocurrency. They will soon add the option to withdraw directly into our bank account, which is coming soon. So this is the platform that we have. I think it is absolutely amazing and it is limited time. So I would suggest that you don't waste any time. If you're confused about something, let me know in the comment section. I'm probably going to make another video maybe a few weeks afterwards and I'll show you guys how much that I'm earning through the system. So stay tuned for that and I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. So stay tuned.